Welcome to the 3CX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to configure voicemail in 3CX. From the 3CX Management Console, click on the Settings tab. Click on the Voicemail button. From here, you can change the voicemail menu extension number. The voicemail quota is set to 5 GB by default. You can change this from 1 GB to how much available disk space you have. You can set voicemail deletion to automatically delete voicemails older than a certain number of days. It's already set to 30 by default. You could also turn on email notifications when the voicemail folder reaches a certain percentage of the quota. For instance, you could set it to send out an email when it reaches 75% of 5 GB. When you're finished, click on OK in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Congratulations! You've successfully set up voicemail in 3CX. Check back for more helpful videos on 3CX as well as other helpful guides.